Hello again. Today's bird is a very special bird for Gamma. Your mama could probably even tell you about it. Today's bird is a tufted titmouse. A tufted titmouse. It is significant for two reasons. One, when I was 10 years old at school, Mrs. Gabbert, the principal's wife, and my teacher would take us out into the woods during recess, and we would have to sit there and be quiet and listen for a tufted titmouse. Hope you don't have to do that ever, unless you want to. Okay, the second reason it's significant is when I hear that sound, it's time to go home. Okay, now let's get the tufted titmouse going here. Okay. You think I'd figure this out by now? I'm just backwards. I can't do it. You think that would be a very recognizable sound out in the wilderness? So, yeah. Good luck with your birds. Remember,